John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, today's lesson, we're going to take a little trip down to, well, not down to, up to the North Pole. We're going to be drawing this cute little reindeer, his class yearbook picture. As you can see, he's getting ready for his annual yearbook picture. Anyway, so if you like doing reindeers, I think you're going to enjoy doing this one. So if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson and to have some fun. Little tip of the day, put some Christmas music in that background when you're doing this one, and I'm sure that you're going to have even a special time with this one now. All right, so let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Was a fun lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, what can you take home from this lesson? A tip that I shared in the very beginning. As a kid, I always liked listening to music. That actually helped me relax and get creatively thinking. So maybe playing Christmas music now, but other times you may want to play any type of music that gets you in the mood to actually be a better artist and creativity and just relax you. I always enjoyed that. So I want to say thanks for everyone for checking out this latest video, and make sure you subscribe to us if you haven't, and if you have, I just want to say thank you very much. So as always and always, have a great evening, and thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.